What's up guys, Biker Dave here. As you know, I have a 2017 Dodge Durango RT, and a couple of years ago I hit some sort of pothole or something, and it left a slight hump in the inner part of the rim on the inside of it. So I've got my spare on right now, if you saw my other video about that. And of course I looked all over the place trying to find a replacement, a used one. I could not find the exact one anywhere for a decent price. So here in Marietta, Georgia, RTP Customs, they repair wheels. If you have like a hop in it, or they sometimes can't repair if it's really bad. But for my situation, they were able to repair it. They're on Polytechnic Drive, right off of Cobb Parkway, 2001 Polytechnic Drive, Marietta, Georgia. So yeah, bring them your wheel and see if they can save your life, so to speak, especially if you have maybe a custom wheel or something, where mine is just OEM Factory, and I've been meaning to get this done for more than 2 years. So yeah, just giving them a little love. RTP Customs, Marietta, Georgia. I'll put the social media links in the description. Y'all come see them. They're about 30 minutes north of Atlanta.